Thank you, Mr. Chairpersons, for this time. I want to draw the attention of the Minister of Health and Family Welfare regarding a 52-year institute in the state of Manipur called the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences. There has been talk about converting this institute into an all-India Institute of Medical Sciences, I think which is needed, and I would request the Health Minister to either declare and recognize this institute as an institute of national importance and preferably convert it into an AIIMS. I would like to remind the Minister that this institute has produced health professionals who have been serving in hospitals and medical colleges across the country as well as abroad, and it caters to patients in the neighboring states. Not only that, even foreign countries like Myanmar, we have patients from there. So as we know that the economic development of the region and the state in particular, we need to revamp the education and health sector. So it will go a long way in the economic development planning of the state to revamp this medical institute as an all-India Institute of Medical Sciences. And secondly, Mr. Chairman, as we know that Northeastern region is afflicted by conflict for decades and has produced post-traumatic diseases. And because of the rapid urbanizations, it has impacted the family relationship. Besides the drug mafias, we all know the current crisis in Manipur is also related to these drug mafias. We have numbers of youths have fallen victims to this drug-related issues. And therefore, to cater to these needs, we also need to establish a centrally run mental hospital and institute in the state of Manipur. I would like our health minister to look into this too. I would be very grateful if the minister can take up as urgently as possible. Thank you, Mr. Chairperson.
Shri Narayan Das Ahirwar ji.